Hey guys, welcome back to the show. It's your buddy Hussey here. And today we got a, oh boy, we got a thriller.
James Bray.
Hey!
Oh, for having folks.
That's right,
is that
I got
what you
this
meant?
guy. He's from UK, he's my boy. However, that's not the star of the show. That's later on. That's the nightcap, y'all. But look at this thing. Look at old Tommy boy. Guys, we're gonna cook these groceries on this open flame. Got a little bone marrow. Gosh, it's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. Let's get these groceries started. And my man James, he is a professional with bone marrow. I am not.
The bone daddy.
He's the bone man.
Listen, so I love bone marrow. The flavor in this is absolutely incredible. Build a relationship with your butcher. I think you can get this in your grocery stores.
Absolutely,
here, right?
Yeah, it was packaged. Nate got it for me.
Oh, we had a special order, and I was excited to do it.
It was special order.
You know?
For me? For me? Oh my gosh, frenzies. We're gonna season this steak up, James. While you get those salted, we're coming in with the old essentials, because you know why,
it's
Nate?
essential.
It's just an essential part of being essential. Listen, y'all, this is a big old boy. Tommy's a big boy. He can take a lot of seasoning. Don't forget your sides on these big boys, all right?
How long does the marrow take, James?
The marrow can take as long as you want it to take. So I like to take as much time as I can.
Like 20 minutes or like an hour?
I would usually do it in an hour, but you can get this
Really?
done in 15 minutes.
This ain't gonna take no 15 minutes, so that marrow's gonna have a lot of time for it to gelatinize. Is that a word, chef?
It is
It is now.
By gosh.
So I'm going to talk you through this ever so quickly. We had these marrow bones, but these were cut into canoes. So if I open up this foil boat, if we start to smoke this and the heat gets to it, that's just going to roll out and you're just losing that pure liquid gold. So we've just made a little foil boat to keep it all in there, and that's going to start to smoke and rend it
flavor
It's
down.
got those things snug as a
Straight
bug.
in those embers.
It's like you nestled that little sucker, like a little baby. I'd like to
Tuck
be
it up.
nestled like that,
It's
big
in
guy.
his-
Can you do that
his
to me later
blanket.
on
Say
tonight?
good night, night, night.
So James, this is a long cook. We're gonna have to kind of put like a zone setup here,
Yeah,
right?
we
This
can
is gonna
do
take
that.
a long time. So the cool thing about this unit is you can rake some coals kind of on this one side. You have a cool side over on the right. And how are we gonna cook the bone marrow?
I reckon straight in the embers. Down
Snowing. It's snowing.
Snowing in Florida,
Snowing in
folks.
Florida.
I just lost my eyebrows. Seen that movie
That's all right.
Backdraft?
I got a Sharpie. We can make you some, bud.
Cool, so I'm just bringing some of these hot embers across. So we're going to create a lovely little bed
Here's your boys
for
right
these
here.
marrow
Well,
boats.
snug
Look
as a
at
bug in a
those.
rug.
Ooh. So we're going to get those down in there.
Oh, right on the coals like
Yeah,
that.
we are.
Oh, I can't wait
But
to
you
see
know
that.
what? Let's find a tiny little bit of wood. So with post oak, we're just going to get some
Oh,
smoke
cool.
that's just going to move around. So when I bring this side up, you're just going to get a lovely little convection area. Starting to see that smoke already.
Old Tommy boy, we're gonna put him as farthest away from that heat as possible. Guys, we're gonna give this about 10 minutes and we're gonna come back and look to see where it's at. If we have to adjust, we do so. James, how we looking here, man? What do you think?
Let's have a look. Let's look at the steak.
Woo! You know,
Go
I
on.
mean, it's a little bit, I was expecting a little bit more. So what do you say we bring it over towards the
Perfect.
fire just a little bit more? Let's flip her.
Get that on. You want a flipper?
Yeah, let's flip her. Yeah, let's get a little bit of heat on that other side. Yes, sir. And then also our marrow, what are we looking at in there? Eve,
So I
what's it-
reckon that marrow's coming on lovely. It's
Ooh.
getting that smoke. You can start to see it bubbling down there.
Oh, that thing's bubbling.
This
Look
is
at
what
that
we
right
want. Do
there.
you know what? I'm going to bring it up
Jeez.
and pop it where your steak was.
Pop it like it's hot, old boy.
You know that.
Gosh almighty. You're talking marrow to me, big boy. So we're just gonna let that just kind of hang out right now.
Yeah, and to be honest with you, you're going to have to hold me back because I'm just about to take a spoon and
Oh, I'm
dive
with
straight
you.
into that marrow.
I got you by the reins right here, bud. So we're thinking, come back in about another 10 minutes. We're gonna flip that steak.
Yeah,
check
10
on the
minutes
marrow.
on a steak. That
Okay.
marrow's going to be done, I would say, in about 10, 15 minutes. And then we can start to prep that for the steak.
All right. See you in 10, y'all. Hey, it's been 10 minutes. Got a little color on this, y'all. Look at that. Look at that.
I love that dancing fat. That's what I call it, that dancing,
Dancing fat?
That-
Is that what you call that?
Yeah.
Well, that's
When
what
the
I...
fat's starting to bubble.
That's what they call me sometimes, dancing fat. James, you
Well,
were
when you're
saying,
dancing.
I was asking you about the marrow. Like, what's some characteristics of this thing that is doing some good stuff?
Like, one, you can see it changing colour, this gorgeous yellow colour, but it's starting to pull away from the bone. So if you imagine, like, when you're cooking short ribs, it'll start to pull away.
Pull me away.
Stop it. Don't. This
Like Calgon,
is
but
incredible.
better. Tag on it, boy. You think I need to put this, like, the thick side Yeah, just a little thicker on this end,
100%.
maybe a little bit over here. Okay, we're gonna give this another about 10 minutes or so, and we're gonna check on it again, folks. All right, guys, it's been about 25 minutes, and what we've done is we've put our steak right over here. It's just hanging out. It was about 120. We're gonna take a little handy dandy, just a little wire rack.
This is fun.
Little wire rack here, okay? Listen, over here, it's not even hot enough. You can use your hand. This is pretty much a weapon, but at any rate, we're just gonna place her right there.
Listen to that.
Now, James, I'm gonna need your tong action here.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Where do you want the
So,
tongs?
let's just wait. Let's just hear it. Y'all hear it? Let's give us a moment of silence. Do you hear it? Whew, that sounds like good grocery, son.
That's heaven right there.
Daggone it, boy.
So for the bone marrow, we're there now. I shall show you what we're looking for. Coming tight on this. So it's just soft to the touch,
wow.
gelatinous. You can, I'll tell you what, you could use that as a face moisturizer. That is absolutely incredible. Now,
And that goes right into unsalted butter?
yes, sir. So we've salted the bone marrow. We haven't put any pepper on it. The pepper would tend to burn, but these are going to be hot. Let's grab. Let's
Well,
grab.
looks good, James. I might need you over here with them tongs, brother.
Yeah?
That thing's singing to me. Yeah, let's flip her over. Woohoo!
Shall I try and flip it over?
Oh, wow.
I tell you what, I can, that built-in handle. Oh,
Look at that.
son,
That's what I'm talking about. That dancing fat there.
that's good. This only's gonna need about another minute, maybe. Do you want to go ahead and scoop this?
Yeah. You take
Yeah,
the tongs.
okay.
I'll come in here. So taking you back to this marrow, we've just got some unsalted butter in there. Look. Ooh. So
Oh, come on now.
the smell from this is incredible.
Come on, rude boy.
Look at that. Look
Dang it, son.
at that. Listen to that.
She's talking to us, James.
Yeah, she is. She's singing my song. I'll be honest, that's my jam.
She's saying, dang it, boy. Bring it to me, boy.
Yeah, Daddy.
Bring it to me. Listen, hey, you're gonna do that.
Yes.
I'm gonna let this rest a little bit. I wanna help you out some. I think a little bit of zesty.
Yeah, a little bit of
I feel
lemon
like I'm
zest.
getting a little chefy here because the man behind the camera, I don't want him to judge me.
I would never.
Come on
Wait,
now.
me? Oh, wait.
Oh, that camera?
Come
Yeah.
on, meow. Let's do a little bit of that black home.
Yeah, we got some of these Blackstone seasonings. We've got the
seasoning.
Steakhouse, the
Yep.
essential blend.
Yeah.
We're just going to elevate this ever so slightly.
I won't come in with our lemon zest, buddy.
Beautiful.
Nice.
Thank
That's
you.
what we're talking about.
That marrow really breaks down.
Yeah, it does.
It really did.
Now you could even just whip this up with a rubber spatula or whisk.
James, I'm so looking forward
That's what
to
I'm
this.
talking about.
Really glad that you kind of taught me a little bit about bone marrow because I think this is going to be just beautiful.
Man, the stuff you teach me, every day's a school day.
You're just so nice to each other. Feels
Imagine
weird.
what we're like off camera.
Well, you told me we had to.
It's in the contract.
Yeah. I think we could probably slice this, honestly. Let's give her a slice. What do you say, chef? Ho, 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 ho.
Look at that.
That's your handle.
Man,
Son.
That's my favorite part right
Put a little
there.
bit of salty.
Yeah.
A little salty goodness.
Get on there, man.
I want to take this, I'm going to put it back onto flame just to get that little bit more done.
Oh, come on.
Look at that.
Come on.
Get it, boy. So this is what we're going to do because we're bougie like that, okay? We're going to lay that bone right there. And we're going to start slicing the steak.
The smell coming off of this is incredible. And I'll be honest with you, I think my favorite way to cook steak is a reverse sear.
That's
Just
exactly what
taking
we
your
did.
time. If I get a choice of steak, this is what I say about building relationships with your meat provider, your butcher. Just try and get as thick as you can, super forgiving.
Yeah.
Buy the best meat you can afford.
I kind of like that family style thing, right? Where you just kind of put it on a big platter like this. Everybody kind of comes and they all have a little bit of goodness. Now, don't be like Hussey and cut this thing wrong and put the bone on the other side. So we're just gonna do that action right there. That's some good stuff right there, y'all. That is some good stuff. Get those slices right, folks. Don't be a
Look at all these vegetables,
don't
guys.
be a hack.
Yeah.
There we go.
What I love about a big cut like this is there's going to be something for the whole family. So if grandma wants something a little bit more well done, listen, she's still invited, but she can have the bit that's maybe down at one end, it's been nearer the heat.
That's right. That's right.
And there's something for everyone.
So we got this compound butter,
I'm so excited for this bit.
marrow now, right?
Yeah.
So
But we're not even done?
We're not done.
Get out of town, are we
No.
done?
No, we don't play. We don't play. The UK North Cackalack connection don't play, son.
So we've taken the smoked bone marrow from these canoe boats, whipped it into some butter. This is going to be incredible. Watch this. So we're going to come along, going to cover All of that. Spread
Wow.
it out. Spread it out. Gonna get that down. It's the last bit. No, we're not done. I know you're asking that. Let's go. Give that a blow.
I'm doing it over here. I don't want to blow it on you.
Whoa.
So that's gonna start to melt down that bone marrow, that butter combo, falling down those fantastic slices that Hussey's done, coating it with that unctuous, beefy, umami flavors. I need to swim in that. That is something special.
That looks
the
amazing,
smell is
y'all.
incredible.
James, my friend, I think just ready to try these groceries. Let's go ahead and take our little charred member off, but good night, look at that.
Dang.
So I think a little bit of citrus might really set this off. There is a lot.
I'm a fan of this move.
Look at this right here. This will cut through a lot of that fat. It's nice and rich. We're just gonna we're gonna get this ready for our friends. I think they're our friends. I don't know. But that right there, James, let's give us a try, brother.
Incredible.
Almost,
Go on.
I didn't slice that as well as I like, but you know what? It's all good. This is for you.
Oh, thank you, man.
Because I got this.
Oh, I see where you're going with that one.
I'm sure some of our friends, our crew behind us, Todd, you've been salivating, my friend. Let's get in here.
Come on, man.
You can have this one. Right
Get
here,
in
right
there.
here. Get in here.
Oh, man.
I got the bone. Get some of that gelatinous, and let's try it together, friends.
Jump in,
Come on in, Hall. There we go.
Cheers.
Come on in,
That's one of the
Jack.
nice
no,
parts
no,
about
no,
buying
no,
such a huge hunk of
Yeah.
meat.
I mean, it
It's
feeds
like-
all these.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Beautiful work.
Oh, man. So good.
Look at that. That was absolutely incredible. I love that crust that you finished off with.
Yeah.
Straight caveman style. Gives it that texture. That fat just melts. Fat, for me, is flavor. I will say it again and again until the cows come home. Send the cows away and tell you another time. Fat is flavor, my friend. Don't be afraid of
that
it.
crust. That crust is a must. You only happen on this fire, just kissing it. The marrow does that. Helps when it hits that flame. It comes up. It gives it something special.
Thanks for watching. That was an incredible tomahawk steak with a bone marrow compound butter done on the open flame. For that recipe and so many more, head over to Blackstone Products. Check out all the content.
Absolutely.
Smash
Good
that bell.
groceries.
That's some good groceries.
That is some good.
It is some great groceries.
Too much
Let's do it
meat.
again.
I'm gonna do all of it.
I'm here for it.
That's so good.
Incredible work.